Okay, everybody, we're back here, and I've got the stand here sanded up and smoothed up a little bit best I could, and I reckon the metal's warm enough to where we can finally do the paint prep here. So what we have here is Krylon paint and primer. So this particular kind of paint already has the primer in it, so that's going to basically cover up any scratches or marks or anything in particular with a few coats of paint. And it's a satin pistachio, so we're going to give it a good shaking here. This is to where the paint will come out good. It's not going to come out and it's not going to flake up or anything like that. Give it a good shaking, maybe shake it up for maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. Alright, that should be good enough. Okay. Now what we're going to do here is that you don't want to hold the paint too close to the metal because it'll splatter out. You want it to where it'll go out nice and even, to where it's going to come out good and level. You want the paint job to be as good and smooth as possible, so we're just going to hold it for maybe like a quarter, maybe like 2 or 3 inches away from the fan here. We're just going to go like this. Go in sweeping motion, like so. You want to make sure that you're going directly over the metal. We're not going to have it to where the paint's going to run or anything like that.